Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. If you are just new to my channel, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, mag-share, at mag-comment na rin guys. Okay? Today, magluluto ako ng chicken hamonado. This is good for Christmas time, for everyday, and for sure your kids will love this. Okay? So, umpisa na natin. So now guys, this is our clean wash chicken. This is 1 kilo. And then we are going to add now our garlic. So, it's up to you guys kung gusto nyo maraming garlic. Pero sa akin gusto ko yung daming garlic, okay? So, now we are going to add the pepper. And a little bit of salt. And we are going to add our i-marinate lang natin ito guys ng possible 2 hours. So, mag-add tayo ng 1 cube of ito guys, dinudurog ko yung chicken broth natin guys. Natin sa ating chiller for 2 hours para mag-ano siya. Mag-flavor yung ating chicken. So, guys, umpisahan na natin guys ang ating pagluluto ng hamonado. So, una, prituhin natin ang ating manok. So, ito na yun ang ating manok guys. Naiprito na natin ang ating manok. Tapos, ito yung ating pineapple slices. And then, ito yung ating soda. Ating pineapple juice. Ito yung ring onions pang topping ko guys. Ito yung garlic. Ito yung onions. I added also bell pepper. At meron akong 2 kalamansi. At mag-add ako na guys ng konting soy sauce later. And a little bit of salt. Okay? So, umpisahan na natin. So, igisa na natin guys ang ating garlic. So, yung ano guys, yung mantika na ginagamit ko guys, yung pinagtutukan natin guys, kasi may flavor na yan ng maraming garlic. Hintayin natin konti-konting mag-golden brown. Unti-unting mag-golden brown. Tapos, maglagay na tayo guys ng ating red onion. So, ilagay na natin guys ang ating manok. Para magkasya siya. Pag hindi, napilitan akong i-transfer siya sa cooking pot. Pero, Okay na siya siguro. Gusto ko yung frying pan na to kasi non-stick ito guys. Okay naman pala. Medyo ano lang siya, power na konti. At least maano siya guys. So this time, ilagay na natin ang ating pineapple juice. Ang ating soda. Tapos ang ating bell pepper at konting kalamansi juice. So, hintayin natin kumukulo ng ano guys. Maglagay tayo ng konting fish sauce. A little bit of soy sauce. Mga ganyan lang. 2 kutsara. Seasoning powder. So, hinaan natin ang ating apoy guys. Para mag-simmer siya ng konti. Konti-konti. So, i-flip over lang natin ang ating chicken every 5 minutes. So, takpan natin siya. Okay na yan. 4. Okay na yan. Mag-add tayo guys ng brown sugar. Two tablespoons of brown sugar. So, hintayin na lang natin guys na reduce ang kanyang juice. Tapos, ready na. Okay? So, ito na yung ating ano guys, chicken hamonado. So, mag-add lang ako ng ring onions. Getting there guys. So, ito na. Almost done. in 5 minutes, ano na ito, mag-platings na tayo. So thank you for watching to my channel, guys, and please don't forget to hit the notification bell for more videos, and please share. Have a good time, and please subscribe to my channel as well. So this is my finished product. This is a chicken hamonado. Have a good time. Bye.